has no match, but there is a one catch which I just want to share with you. The day when I entered to my class, there was a guy next sitting to me from Mysore. He knocked and he asked, "What is your native?" You believe it or you not believe it, at that time of Manpreet Singh Manna was not knowing the meaning of native. You believe it or you not? I realized, am I alien? I came to the other world, although it's India. And then story started, for the first week I was understanding the culture. Where I used to buy bananas by dozen, half dozen, they here were weighing and giving to bananas to me. Half kg or 1 kg on the store. On the way, because I hardly take food that time because my food habit was as a Punjab food habit, big paratha and a ghee on it. Although Nandini ghee was available, but paratha was not available. Dosa was not. I used to have open the pouch of the milk and drinking like this. Hey, who's this guy? Maybe Sunny Deol or something. After 1 week, I start realizing my teachers are wonderful. They are always teaching with a very good taste and a spirit and dedication. But when I will go to the lab, because without lab there is no engineering. When I will go to my basic electrical engineering lab, or when I will go to physics lab or a chemistry lab, my other student is come to know when is the end point is going to become, it becomes pink because he communicated in his local language and I can't catch it. Since I was not so good in English also. Although my Punjabi and Hindi was okay, but I was not good in English. And my technicians, honorable technicians, I should use word here, honorable technicians. If we make the engineers, not without technicians. Faculty has their role, but without technicians, nobody can become engineer. And they wanted to explain. They were always eager to explain because for them also it is the first time some Sikh guy came there in their institute and wanted to do engineering. It was a full belongingness, love, affection. But there was a gap, that was the language. I realized it, I just came to the hostel and purposely, you believe it or not, who was my roommates? All the Punjab guys. They wanted to shift outside for some flats and all. I decided I want to stay in a hostel. I asked the local one student, please share a room with me. I would like to stay with you. He said, you have your different habits. I said, but then what? I am not going to disturb you. I am sure you are not going to disturb. I can't wear dhoti. I will put pajama. You put dhoti, no problem. Then my journey started. He realized. He asked me one favor. You have certain good habits, like you can see hands, this hastrekha, you have some qualities. You are a good orator. Sometimes I could see that you speak well. You give me this. I said, okay, can you give me Kannada? He said, what you are asking? I said, I need Kannada. He said, first you start English, gentlemen, then we'll go for Kannada. It's too far story. I said, okay, fine. I started Reader Digest learning. I subscribed. It was 129 rupees subscription at that time for 12 months. I started. It was coming to VSVM hostel. I started reading newspapers, Hindu and Indian Express. After 6 months, there was a Tech Fest in my campus. And before Tech Fest, one day, like as mentioned over here, there is a cultural program. We do have a cultural program. And there was an entry for the singing songs. I was a good singer in Hindi and Punjabi, and it was known to my institution because that during early days you call it as a ragging or intro, whatever word you give it, finally it's intro only. And I had to face intro, and that intro many singers learned, many singers had my singing talent they could see, because in the hostel they called you start singing, gentleman, nothing else you can do. So you start singing. So they were knowing that I can sing well in Hindi, but I came and I gave my entry. There was a 2 rows. This side was the Kannada students for the Kannada songs, regional songs, and the rest all other languages songs, maybe Marathi, Hindi, or English, or even Punjabi. I gave an entry this side. Then he said, that said entry. No, sir, this side. Hey, go and sit there. I said, sir, please let me sit this side. My seniors, final year students. And the moment came. When my turn came, the big hooting was there. I came, I started ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು ಏಳು ಏಳು ಎಂಟು ಒಂಬತ್ತು. That is the catch. ನೀವು ಮಂಡ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Passed out 93. Still I challenge standing in Karnataka how fluently I can speak in Punjabi, I can speak in Kannada also. Reason, if you start loving the culture, you start loving the culture of the other states, start loving the persons from the other caste, religion, everything, they are you only. In every heart there is the same God which is there, and you believe it or not, I was the one of the Ladla in hostel, you know. Ladla, you understand? Same it is that. So, anything happening in Mandya or in college, the first name comes. Sometimes they called Manna, sometimes they called Tutak Tutak Tutya. That was the one, my favorite song. I translated in Kannada, I sang in Kannada also, and always I used to go for the first prize without unbeaten solo song, first prize, Manpreet Manna. So that is the start, dear students. The second hurdle was for me. In the first semester in my DMC, I could see my name at a shop. My father given me name Manpreet Singh Manna. How this name got changed, you know? The H taken from SING, H from there, they put it before T, MANPREET, H. I asked to my clerk, sir, he said no T without H here in Karnataka, Geeta, Sita. I said, sir, I'm Manpreet. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಮನ್ಪ್ರೀತ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಮನ್ಪ್ರೀತ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮನ್ಪ್ರೀತ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, H ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಇದು H ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಮೈಸೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮೈಸೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ? I took 3 or 4 visits to Mysore University to get corrected my name spelling. That was the one catch. Although I learned Kannada, they could not understand that, you know, every name has their own significance. But in Karnataka later on I realized that T without H is no T here. So you put T before H. Yum, yes, I learned it. After that learning, the same technicians, my faculty, my hostels, they were treating me like as a, you know, I'm a king. My English was good. My Kannada was good. I did top in 6th semester, although I was an average student in the first semester. I stopped. So, what I just wanted to share my personal life, because I never want to discuss any book over here. I don't want to discuss any other real story. If I will share my own real story, you will understand how beautiful the life of student is there, because this is the only life you are living. After that it's an agreement only, it's not a life. You become an IAS officer, you become a director of AICT, you become whatever the big post you are dreaming in your mind, but the life which you are living today, I think I am missing a lot. The hostel life, the hostel culture, staying with the different states students, sharing their views, their, you know, all traditions. I enjoyed Onam, I enjoyed Pongal, of course Vaisakhi was also here. That happened because I traveled 3200 kilometers away from my place, and on this stage, if it is recorded and you see my previous YouTube recordings, I mentioned most of my speech. If today I am surviving and I am doing something, if you record this big biodata for me, just because of my 4 years stay in Mandya, nothing else. 4 years stay in Mandya. So this state is my Karma Bhumi. Whenever the invite comes from Karnataka, I never say no, because I have to give Rina. वापिस करना है मुझे, उधार है इस स्टेट का मेरे ऊपर. For Karnataka, anytime I am there, I have to stand with you. Now we come to the other part, dear students. This is today's my 40 minutes discussion, and I'll make sure that after 40 minutes you will realize that you never seen what is the latest WhatsApp came to your mobile, because you will hardly get time to open the mobile. Why it happens, at home being a two languages should not work. One hand giving, another hand snatching not. I personally say to my all faculty members, my brothers and sisters, including myself, being I am a faculty. End of the day, I am faculty. Allow them mobile. Ask them to use. If we have a content when I am delivering in the class, I dare the student can even put their eyes out of me. इतना अच्छा बात करो उनके साथ, उनको समझ में आए कि सामने वाला मुझे ही पढ़ाने आया है, सिर्फ वॉमिटिंग करने नहीं आया है. If sometimes you get an opportunity to talk to one of the students, they will tell you, teaching in the electricity in my class, 2 students raised their hand and said, sir, I felt a shock. Oh, is it so? That is called a connect. Teaching Ohm's law in a class, if you start feeling a shock in the class, there is no need for the virtual laboratory. That laboratory is here only, we have to just make it before your words. How difficult teaching in the class for 60 minutes, you know that? For me it is not so. Don't say I am alien. I am again a simple teacher like other teachers. What I used to take, I am giving tips to my faculty members. I always take a help from the movies when I am teaching in the class. Oh sir, क्या कर रहे हैं आप? बच्चों को खराब करोगे क्या? Talking about the movies. ये ना परवागिला, बंद निमिषा, हम हेडते नहीं. What is that movies? If today's student you ask them what is the induction, I was teaching in the first year for the basic electrical engineering induction. They said, sir, I could understand the production because made of the wooden chair, wood. Yes, it is a production because some raw material has been used, but for induction there is no raw material. Sorry sir, we couldn't catch it what you want to teach and how we can reach to EMF. That is electromotive force, and most of the students understand because basic electrical is common for all the branches, whether you are civil, mechanical or CS. I said, okay, how many people have seen the movie Mohabbatein? Oh, all hands like this. Sir, 3 times. Sir, 2 times. One student came. Sir, shall I send you? I have a master copy with me. I said, wait. Now So then I said, in Mohabbatein picture, have you seen the Shah Rukh Khan is playing violin and one girl? Sir, my favorite hero, sir. Okay, beta, I understand your sentiments. Okay, we discuss. Everybody is wondering, teaching in a class and actually he's talking about the Shah Rukh Khan and violin. And then I asked what he was doing sitting on the Neel Kamal chair, like as you are sitting on the Neel Kamal chair, maybe some other company. He was playing a very nice violin under that roof. And all the class, 30 students are sitting there in that Pathshala, the biggest Pathshala of Amitabh Bachchan ji, who was the director of that institution. I hope you have seen same Mohabbatein which I am discussing. And yes, everybody has seen. Whether it's in Kannada or Hindi, movie we always watch. Yeah. So, what happened? End of the day, sir, he was playing a violin. 3 guys, sir, they just stood up. They rushed. They opened the gate of the college. I said, the same gate, the same student. This is called induction. This is called induction. He induced something. Inner energy has been concentrated for 1 point, and that was the one coil which is energized by 220 volts. This was the other coil which has the only load, that was the door. What we link is the flux, and finally we open the door. He said, sir, अब आप transformer कभी नहीं बोलेंगे क्योंकि बहुत आज से 10 साल पहले भी देखी हुई मूवी का डायलॉग अगर मैं यहाँ पे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति खेलूंगा तो आप मुझे बता देंगे. आज से 2 हफ्ते पहले क्लास में एक टॉपिक मैंने पढ़ाया, आपको याद भी करना पड़ेगा कि उस दिन टॉपिक पढ़ाया क्या. That is the reality. What we watch on a larger screen with a good audio system and in a very isolated manner. I want the classrooms like a theater. I want the classrooms like a theater. Your teachers should be act as a hero of the class. We should come with that energy, that contents, that knowledge, that zeal, and students belonging that. Sir, Shah Rukh Khan क्या है जो आप बात करते हो आपकी बात का अंदाज ही कुछ होता है. That becomes a teacher. Why I did I realized after joining AICT, my chairman called me, Dr. Manna, you during interview said you have so many aims coming over here. I spoke in very clear words. You can check with my past chairman, SS Manthaji, with whom I had this discussion. Sir, 18 years when I was out of AICT, being a faculty, I criticized UGC AICT like anything. And it is not me. Every college, 10,300 colleges plus in India, after the lecture when we'll go for the cup of tea, we do discuss what is the new pay commission is going to bring for us. What this AICT API norms, I cannot become professor in my dislike. All the professors are there. Now they are stopping us to become professor. This is the rules. These are dirty rules are coming from regulators, UGC and AICT. And they want so many patents, book publishing, blah, 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 blah. Nobody is asking for that teaching. We are teachers. And there is no distinction between what is the research institute and what is the teaching institution in my country. The same norms are for the research institution, the same norms for the teaching institution. This kind of things happening, sir. Now I will set the AICT. When I will go back again, because I have to sit alone for have a cup of tea with my colleagues, they will say, "Tune kya kar liya? New yen madidara? New hogidara? Nal ವರ್ಷ AICT ಹೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ मैं क्या करेगा sir? How will show my face to my colleagues? You want to do something? Sir, yes, I want to do something. What do you want to do? Sir, the one project is happening in MHRD from last 8 years and it is not becoming in a fruitful way. The day 31st of March 2016, I was made in charge of SWAYAM project, sir. Along with one of my colleagues from Karnataka, and it's Siddhalinga Swami. He is the director e-governance there in my AICT. And he is really man with the mission with me. He said, Manaji, we will do it. I said, okay, we'll start. We started what? I had a survey. Before doing anything, if there is no planning, there is no gap area, don't do anything. What was the gap? I given point wise. If I am wrong somewhere, you can correct me over here. I could see from last 5 years, 6 years, when I would travel to the different institutions, this is not the first and this is not the last. I traveled to many institutions throughout the country because AICT related. I used to go to the library, I pulled the book and I could see the last date stamping of the review. I think 3 years back some student might have issued for 10 days during the examination. It means students are not going to the library today. Why? Because my faculty never seen in the library. Because they feel like faculty library. वो कहेंगे क्या बात हो गया? You are weak in your subject. You are sitting in the library. You are teaching the same subject from last 10 years. Today you are sitting library open beer Thereja. We feel shame, you know. This sort of the tag will come from the students and other colleagues. क्या हो गया भाई? आज शेयर मार्केट नहीं खोल रहे कंप्यूटर पे लाइब्रेरी में बैठे हो? आपका शेयर नीचे गिर जाएगा. अब पड़ोस में आपको 2 प्लॉट खरीदने थे, आप तो प्रॉपर्टी डीलर का काम भी शुरू कर रखा आपने साथ में. This is happening in many places. So this is the one challenge. Now I'll come to the second challenge. 80% of the institution in my country, those are called engineering institutions, the students may not have the proper hostel accommodation in their respective institution. It's not story of your institution. Your institution story I will discuss after my speech. I'll tell you why you are lucky and why you should say with the proud that I love Nagarjuna Engineering College because there's something. I'll tell you that also because I have the comparison. You don't have a comparison. You have only one college. I have 10,320 colleges. So I can give you comparison. So the students are coming by yellow bus by morning 40 minutes and going by yellow bus by 40 or even 1 hour. What they do? They put some good quality of earphones of Apple or Samsung and they're putting Ghana.com. Or most of the time they are making nicknames of their teacher. Hey, you new class madidra? Okay sir. Hey, madli supply kodta nahi, supply kodta nahi. Supply means repair. Fail karega wo grade nahi dega karke kyun? Okay kyun? Because sometimes when we speak, you know, in a length, in a flow, we sometimes put some short words. Okay? Oh, his name becomes okay. And students are perfect to make the nicknames of the teachers. In every college there is a nicknames of the teachers. I am sure here it will also. I do made for my teachers and for me, my students also made number of nicknames for me also. Sometimes they call me Sidhu, sometimes they call me this or something like that. So, if they will get something to be read, something to be exhaust, something to be learn, I think this is a good option. This is the second. I will come to the third gap. When I was in the 7th semester, at that time I am talking PS Monday 92. I wanted to take the new subject came at that time called VLSI. It was a new subject, just burning subject. And my HOD came and said, everybody has to take artificial intelligence. See, we were 54 students in my final year. I said, sir, I don't want artificial. No. Out of 7 elective subjects, we are offering only 1. Then why a list of electives? Because we don't have faculty. As on today, that time it was not the worst scenario. Today is the more worst scenario, 38% shortage of the faculty throughout the country. Not only this institution, IITs are even NITs. There is a shortage of faculty. We can't, because we can't dilute the standards of recruiting the faculty. अगर एक भी टीचर गलत रिक्रूट किया ना, देश का नुकसान होगा. एक डॉक्टर गलत हो गया चल जाएगा, 2 मारेगा, तीसरे में अंदर पड़ेगा उसको. टीचर गलत हो गया ना, वो कितनी पीढ़ियों को, मैंने 18 जनरेशंस को पढ़ाया और यहाँ पे टीचर्स वो हैं जिन्होंने 36 जनरेशंस को पढ़ा दिया. 36 जनरेशन दे हैव टॉट. आप 2G 3G की बात करते हो, 36 GG तो यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. 36 years. 36 GG. So it means the students wants to take something for their test, because all the 60 students doesn't want to go to the same industry, you know. Somebody wants to abroad for the higher education, somebody wants to take the parents' profession to be as their profession, and somebody wants to do something other part. So they want to take the electives different by digital electronics or VLSI or something blah blah. But no choice, there was no faculty. This is the 3rd gap. Now I'll come to the 4th gap. Today most of my students, those are not getting the proper diet in a class. Diet in the sense, they come for learning electrical science. Unfortunate part, some of my colleagues, including me, I do refer my notes, which is like 10 years back. I am putting a sellotape behind and using that faded color, yellow pages still, because I don't want to put more efforts, and using the same notes in my class. My students say, sir, अभी भी आप बोल रहे हो कि ओम्स का ट्रांजिस्टर पे फेल हो रहा है, मैंने तो पढ़ा है गूगल पे CNT पे भी फेल हो रहा है. तो teacher doesn't know the full form of the CNT, how he will say that Ohm's law is also fail on the CNT? वो तो भी डायोड और ट्रांजिस्टर ही पढ़ाएगा ना आपको, बताएगा. So it means upgradation, orientation was missing. It is not the fault of the management of the teachers, you know. It is the fault of the scarcity of the teacher. We can't afford a teacher to go for the study for 15 days to do something, STP, FTP. No, we can't afford. What happened to the students? And due to this big pressure of NAC and PA blah blah, so many clerical works to do by the faculty. The biggest clerical work, you know, they have to fill so many performers. Same repeated again after the 6 months. The NAC team comes. He said, no, my performance is different. Why you did this one? Put it another performer. And how many labs, how many toilets, how many stairs, how many this. AICT team comes in, put other performer. SAGI comes another performer. PMKY comes another performer. So teachers become clerks sometimes. You know. Who will do this job? Finally the faculty. So these are the few gaps we could find, and the final gap. Today is my young generation, 14 to 24 years, the largest in my world mobile subscribers. Overall, we are 3rd consumers in this world, wherefore the innovation we are 66th in this world. You see the gap. We are the good consumers, but we are not the good inventors. That is a catch. I realized today's my student is on screen, either it's a mobile or iPad or laptop, whatever maybe, or even TV. But he doesn't want to see the book, he doesn't want to see the face, he doesn't want to interact with the parents. Tell me, putting your hand over here, how many you takes a half an hour walk with your parents after the meals? Because your father may be watching the Tarak Mehta, you must be watching something Hotstar on your Jio. Maybe the old serial repetition again, or you are searching for the new print of the new movie called Secret Superstar. किस पर आई है डाउनलोड करने का? One day I went to one college for evening time for some program, and they said sir, program is at 9 o'clock. It was some tech fest program. I said it's a 7:30 before meal, students must be in their hostel rooms. Yes sir. I said who's controlling your network CDN, that is content data network, you must be available. Yes sir, so Akamai. I said I have a Luna control because I am using a CDN network for my SWAN. I opened the network, I could search 62 rooms simultaneously downloading the same movie in the different rooms. Called Filori at that time. I realized we talk about the waste disposal of this physical waste. The e-waste is the most dangerous in this my world, in this my country, and why the students are downloading the same movie but in 62 rooms. Called everyone in the West. I called everyone in the West. I said room number 8, yes. Filori downloaded, yes sir, I have completed. Why people you don't use your share it and take it from him only? Why 61 other rooms are downloading the same movie? It is not fair. You are misuse the bandwidth, you misuse the data. Taking from there, watching and deleting it, that's it. That kind of technology, that kind of interaction, that kind of connect between the students, between the rooms, between the hostel has to be made. You make a one person. This Friday, room number 8, whatever the movie comes. Because you will download it. I know that. Whether we put jammers, whether we put blah blah things, you know how to hack and you know how to catch. Because you are the innovators, we are not the innovators. After age of 26, if anybody is claiming that I invented something, no, it's only cut and paste. The invention comes from the age of 14 to 24. All inventions come from age of 14 to 24. After that, if you want to see, go to the hostel room. Anybody's hostel room. How beautifully I managed to pull out the wire and putting my speakers there. With the small resources, with one board and one code, I could dry my clothes and I cooking a Maggie at night. My mother never knows but I am cooking Maggie. This is called innovation, you know. This is called innovation. We call it a jugaad technology area. So that innovation happening in the hostel rooms has to be bring in the classroom, in the labs, in the research park, in incubation centers. That is called invention. So after watching all these gaps, I realized something should be on the screen. And many people came with me, sir, what you would like to give this open education resource? I said, yes, open education resource. Sir, have you opened the YouTube? Everything is there. Oh, yes. I really appreciate you, sir. Everything is on YouTube. Today you want to cook dosa, learn dosa, you open on the YouTube. You want to teach your papa how to open the lock of the new mobile? You can do it through YouTube. Even so many techniques, you know, at that my time, I used to put a letter in a practical file and give it to my, classmate for proposal, and you are learning from YouTube how to propose as a student. This is again available on the YouTube. But the unfortunate part in the YouTube, if you open a YouTube, anybody can dare open a YouTube in front of the family members and sitting in the classroom. Because if you are typing something wrong, so many different thumbnails comes which you never want to see and you will never want to show to others. That open education resource you don't want. But basically, I was searching for on a YouTube. I went to other route. After 1.5 hours, the mother comes with a milk of glass. My son might have completed environmental science project for the 8th standard. Hey, ye note kiya? Because he started for environmental science, some letter got changed. He could see some other things and he enjoying it, and he wasted his 1.5 hours. And mother start thinking, my son has been spoiled. This YouTube we don't want. We want the proper education resource only. Then we could brought this study webs of active learning for young aspiring mind called SWAYAM, swayam.gov.in. Available on your Androids, available on your iOS, available on your Windows phones also free of cost. With the store, you download it. As on today, 3,21,000 students with 727 courses. It is complete course. It is not just videos and audios to just watch and enjoy. No, there is a proper assignment. There is a discussion forum. There is a quiz. Your sessions will be from online. Only your last exam will be offline during the year. And this institution, being an autonomous institution, can use the biggest advantage of this country happened last year. The history change in this country. 20% choice-based credit system. You know what is this? I again share my pain with you. When I completed my matric in one of the public school, I was never thinking about engineering. Frankly, I tell you. I started learning music. I was good in music. I started learning harmonium. Saregamapa. I learned. My father called, Beta, I'm a banker. We don't have a land in agriculture place. So tomorrow, if you want to fetch your family, you must do some professional studies. Let this music hobby with you. Don't make it a professional. Go and do the engineering. I will look for the good college for you. Because I was not preparing for that, and CET, I got admission Thapar for architecture. I was not interested in architecture. That's why all the way I came to Mandya for government seats quota. So Mr. Bangarappa was CM at that time. Under CM quota, I applied and I given a test. It's a government aided institution. PS Monday, you must be aware. I got admission. So that is a story. It means my passion But that was a music which was still, it was feeling, you know, I did B.Tech, I did M.Tech, I enjoying my family, I have a good marriage life, I have a beautiful wife, I have a very good son, obedient son. But where is my music? Today you people can never say, because 80% your parents wish, your profession, and 20% is your passion. You can take from SWAN, you can take a dance, you can take a journalism, you can take a music, you can take any studies through SWAN, and it will come in your detail marks cards also as a 20% choice-based credit system. This happened in this country in November 2016. 26 universities already start offering SWAN subjects to their students. Because here in Engineering College, if you want to take a classical music, do you think that your director for you will put one classical music teacher for only one student? No, possible. And how they will make a music lab over there? But on the SWAN, you have your lab, you have your classroom, you have your teacher waiting for you. And most of my today's youngsters, they do open their network, they do open their laptop at 8 or 9 p.m. till 2. At that time you will see that classroom is open and you want to learn something. No, SWAN will be open 24/7 because my youngsters morning time they do interaction, night time only they start learning. This is a culture I had in Mandya hostel, the same culture you must be having in your hostel. At that time you are searching for book from other room. I still remember there was a power system analysis book of McGraw-Hill, that time Stevenson, if I am not wrong, $4.32. You are lucky enough you got Tata McGraw-Hill. So $4.32 I paid, I cut my mess bill, you know, taking additional Swedish kheer on Wednesday, which was costing me something. I cut it, I bought that book, and later on I shared with my roommates in the hostel, क्योंकि किताब इतनी महंगी थी और पढ़नी जरूर थी. टीचर ने कहा था सर इसी किताब से पढ़ना, दूसरी किताब से मत पढ़ना. Later on I realized that which book he was carrying in the class with the newspaper wrapping, it was a Khanna Publishers only. And he suggested a McGraw-Hill to the students to make the subject such a big height. And this is happening in the faculty, you know, until unless my subject becomes big, my personality never can become. You will start scared for me only if my subject is scary to you. Then you will start, you know, Namaskara sir, hey, drawing teacher, hey, here time ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Graphics ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾಗಾರ್ಜುನ sir. Oh, Nagarjuna, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ sir, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ sir. Nowadays are gone. What you could not get the diet in the classroom, you go to the SWAN, all IIT professors' lectures are there through NPTEL. 60% courses as on today on SWAN. Now two challenges come to the Indian faculty after this SWAN. Two, I will speak openly, I am also a faculty. The first challenge, if I am teaching in my class from last 10 years, I made it a final round. Sir, electrical machines, pakka. Dr. Manna only, nobody else can teach over here because I am teaching for last 10 years. Sir. Without bothering what result I am getting, what outcome, what, how many students could join Kirloskar or NGF, nobody bothered. But my dean or HOD says, Manna पढ़ा रहा है 10 साल से इसको दे दो electrical machines. अब उनको सोचना पड़ेगा, अगर आपकी क्लास के आधे से बच्चे ज्यादा कहेंगे सर इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन तो पढ़ेंगे लेकिन स्वयं पे जाके पढ़ेंगे, there is a question mark on your teaching. You have to mind it. It means your content delivery is not as per the today's need of the students. Then you have to update yourself even from SWAN. Because SWAN is for the casual learners, SWAN is for the serious learners also. If you are a casual learner, you don't have to get enrolled, putting your Aadhaar, feeding nothing. You simply with your ID, you log in, you watch videos, you download data, you take up the spiral, download, print, whatever you want. BC, NA, SA. Community, पहली बार इस वर्ल्ड में ऐसा हुआ है. अभी हाई कमीशन ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मेरे पास आए कि हमने 7 कोर्सेज देने. I said, please welcome. But copyright is AICTE. He said, no, we can't give. I said, sorry. Because today who's learning from SWAN, he is not going to buy a book in a market. After 10 years, he wants to repeat the course because he is in the industry and he needs the same course to be used in the industry. Where he will go? If the course is not available in the SWAN after 7 years, where he will go to open the book? The book is not available in the market. It's online data and free of cost. Then he said, we will rethink. I said, you rethink twice or thrice. I will allow only such courses which we have the corner, that is of ownership, joint copyright, SWAN along with the author who's giving the content. This content is for nation, not for individual. This content is for the whole society who wants to learn. That is the aim, you know, I brought it to this SWAN. Otherwise, at the age of 60 also people are dreaming that at least I should get one award. And at the age of 46 I could get the award from the president. And the first time in AICTE history that one officer got the award from a president, it means something happened. and we have to pick it. And this cannot be made if we have the true spirit, a zeal, a guts, which I had during my first early days in my hostel Mandya. I thought that I have to learn Kannada, how much tough it is, so baby. I have to learn. The same learning spirit I could carry with my life, I could manage over it. Now sitting in AICT, that is the one project. We started Intern Shala. We started Net IT. I still remember in my college, 80% students go to the market, buy the projects, show us, show the reports and get their grades. And they say, sir, just do it, sir. Just formality, sir. Give me grades, sir. Let me pass out. I have to make my future outside. Because you are never giving me the placement also. 5 कंपनी बुलाते हो, हम कितने हैं? क्या लेके जाएगी सबको? आप मुझे अच्छे ग्रेड तो दे सकते हो ना, वो दे दो, बाकी मैं खुद कर लेगा करके. Most of the engineering college, that's why they giving good grade. For me, in my class, still remember, if we were all clear ना, उसको टीच कहते थे, hey, all clear ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? Hey, मन्ना, oh, hey, ಏನೋ ಸಿಕ್ ಹುಡುಗ ತನಗಿದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ, all clear, full subject clear ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? Oh, you are king. I thought, oh, is it so? Yes, gentlemen, see number of supplies. It is only 4 colleges under National University, NC, JC, and one Hassan and Mandya. And no previous papers booklet available to read and read. Tight story. At that time, 60% BTech was big thing. Today, 85% is sitting outside asking for the PM job. Why so? We diluted because students question. They said, either you give me outcome. I came to your factory as a raw material. You made a finished product. You make it to be sellable in the market. If you cannot make it to sellable, at least give me the first sticker of the highest brand at least. That is a score. This is the only one thing in the teacher's hand, giving a grades. And teachers are giving grades without evaluating the students in the right spirit. Tell me how many today's supplies you feel in the engineering, and open the 20 years back Mysore University data or Bangalore University data or Pune University data. You know the drop down? 66% students were dropped. मैं 6 आए थे पंजाब से, एक हूं जिसने 4 साल में बीटेक किया, बाकी 7 साल में 6 साल में करके गए. उसके लेट कर भी नहीं सकते थे. आफ्टर 7 years not fit for engineering का सर्टिफिकेट दे देते. This is reality. You can check data anytime. The reason is that if we are a good teacher, we are a good institution, we should give the marks as per the students' traits, their actual learning. That he should not get the fake dreams in his mind. I am a 90%. Why I can do anything? And after coming in that world, he come to know that I am a beggar. I am just a beggar, you know. With 90% marks a beggar, then you say so many suicides are happening, many techno-terrorists are developing and joining this nexus. This will happen. During 1980, please stop me, sir, if I take more time because I become emotional when students are sitting in front of me. So I'll take 10 minutes more. I'll just... Thank you. So dear students, when you feel that you are full of your brain, you raise the hand, I will stop and I will say thank you for calling me or something like that. वो मैं करेगा, वो भूमिका अच्छे से करना मैं भी करेगा. So 19, after the independence, up to 1975, if the rice was not coming from Australia, we used to announce India drought. अकाल पड़ गया. अनाज कहाँ से आता था? बाहर से आता था. Read it on your Wikipedia or Google. You have the good facts with you. मुझे आपको ये हिस्ट्री बतानी है क्योंकि आपको पेरेंट्स भी नहीं बता रहे हैं, आपको टीचर्स भी नहीं बता रहे हैं, मुझे आपको बहुत कुछ बताना है. लेकिन उस टाइम पे हमारे जो बुद्धिजीवी थे, the technocrats, the intellectual, the political, they said IITs खोलेंगे. लोग हंसते थे, आप IIT खोलने की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे अनाज नहीं आता है. कुछ तो सोच रही होगी. We started with the AICT somewhere in 1989. Today we developed the biggest infrastructure of this country. Biggest. आपको पता है 32 lakh students can become engineer today from country India. More than the population of Singapore, we are getting engineers in India. More than the population of Singapore. 32 lakh students के लिए हमने सेटअप क्रिएट किया. कितने बड़े अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूशंस क्रिएट किए. कितना नेशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ है. Whether it's private institution, whether it's a government. Of course, it's a government. It's a national property. You know, every building, every brick of this country is a national property, and you know it well. And today, what is the scenario? After this 32 lakhs infrastructure, only 20 lakhs comes inside the infrastructure. 12 lakh to पहली short है. You know the seats vacant. Last 2 years data you can check it. 42% seats vacant. Most of the even IITs. Out of 20 lakh, 13 lakhs pass out in the final year. 7 lakh drop out अभी भी है. This is AICTE authentic data I am sharing over here. Means out of 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs getting degrees in their hand, and out of 13 lakh, only 7 lakh or 6.3 lakh. 6.3 lakhs gets jobs. Not all as per the cadre. कईयों को तो वो BPO में भी करना पड़ रहा है. Lower than their grade, under wages. But still they get job. Which 6.3? 30 लाख का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा किया, 6.3 लाख को हम नौकरी दे रहे हैं. Is not the big loss for the country? Have you ever thought of it? And the unfortunate part, all this we do only for one area, that is called manufacturing. And now you go to the GDP side. In my country's GDP, say it's 100 rupees, the 50 rupees comes from the agriculture, 60 rupees come from the services, the rest come from your manufacturing area. Have we ever thought? Tell me, we have 65 lakh villages. Do we have a single job for engineer in the village? Single. तो 65 लाख बच्चे तो एक ही बार में चले जाएंगे ना, एक ही साल में 65 लाख बच्चे चले जाएंगे. क्या एक भी इंजीनियर की पोस्ट एग्रीकल्चर में है, किसी गांव में है, विलेज में है? That is a mismatch. ये सैगी ऐसे नहीं आया. Why we brought this सैगी, ये सोच के साथ सैगी. 5 बच्चे तो गांव में जाएंगे ना, कम से कम 5 जाएंगे. वो एक उनमें से कहेगा कि I can start automated dairy system here. समझ से, अरे यहाँ पे मोबाइल रिपेयर की शॉप नहीं है, मैं अपने छोटे भाई को मोबाइल रिपेयर करवा देता हूँ. एक सोचेगा, अरे there is so many big cars are coming in this village, nobody is a mechanic over here because the agency is somewhere at Bangalore and reaching there 2 hours today in Bangalore's traffic. Can't I open a small workshop of the car mechanic over here through PMKVY learning? That thought process we have to make it. The resource of my country is dying like anything. We are the most resourceful country in this world. If anybody dares to ask for the innovation, उसको बोलना कि भाई साहब जहाज तेरे बाप ने नहीं बनाया था, जहाज सबसे पहले हिंदुस्तान में बना था. You want to see the रामायण? You can see that. पहला जहाज कहाँ उड़ा था? रामायण पढ़ लीजिए. If anybody can dare you for the best management, come through GMAT and take an MBA admission somewhere in Harvard or Oxford, उसको कहना छोड़ दे सारी किताबें, सिर्फ महाभारत पढ़ ले, तेरे को MBA पता चल जाएगा. What is a team spirit? What is a leadership? And with a small team, how big resource they could achieve with this big team. That is called the MBA. पढ़ लीजिए महाभारत. एक छोटा सा श्लोक बता देगा पाई की वैल्यू क्या है. संख्या श्लोक. You must be knowing about this. ऐसी चीजें पढ़ते रहा करो. अपने हिंदुस्तान की संस्कृति को मत छोड़ना. We had a biggest library in this world, 6-floor library, which was burning for 6 months. And why they burned? Because they said if we burn their shops and burn their houses, they will again create it because they are Indians. We will burn their thoughts, we will burn their documents, and they burned our library. And you know that Nalanda was the first world university we had in country, and the library was burning for 6 months. 10,000 टीचर की मैनस्क्रिप्ट्स जल रही थी, 900 सिर्फ पुलिस कर्मचारी उसकी रक्षा कर रहे थे. क्या 10,000 टीचर इकट्ठे हो जाते, 900 को तो पीछे कर देते, अपनी किताबें बचा लेते. आज बच्चा घर में जाके ये ना कहता मामा को, मामा why does copying to cut the nails at evening? Where it is written? We lost documentation. Our granthas, they took it, they translated, they patented it, and they are using. You see, I dare anyone sleep under the neem tree for 40 days. If even snake is going to touch you, the snake will die. Nothing will happen to you. The same neem tablets through Amway or something you are buying and you are eating because they patent by us. They patent by us. This is the reality of my country. The country, like India, you take a 6 meters a long cloth can pass through this single ring. Show me which country can do this here. Such a thin thread. Weaving. You want to see the architecture? You go to Hawa Mahal. You go to one, Puri temple. What architectural value? Here, if you close a door, we will sweating. You go there for the whole day or night, even in summers. You will never feel like a sweat because that kind of architectural value without AC. Who made it? Do they went to IITs or IIMs? Do they went to Harvard and Oxford? Engineering was there. अभी भी हमारे साउथ इंडिया में अगर बच्चों की शादी होती है तो कपल को पहली रात को क्या देखने के लिए बोलते हैं बाहर आके? Which 2 stars they have to see? Can anybody tell? Why these 2 stars only? बाकी सारे स्टार में बड़ा ऐसे रहता है, छोटा घूमता है, यही 2 स्टार्स हैं जो एक दूसरे के इर्द गिर्द घूमते हैं। तब से हमने ये ढूंढा हुआ है, लोग आज ढूंढ रहे हैं, तब से ढूंढा हुआ है। 4000 years back our Shastras, our Gurus, our Vedas they wrote in Karnataka, बच्चों को शादी की पहली रात ये दिखाना है, आपने उसको नाम दे दिया हनीमून। It was not honeymoon, it was something else। ऐसे जीवन में रहना है एक दूसरे के साथ बन के, ये सिखाया था हमने, तो कुछ और ही बना दिया। हम तो जाके रिजॉर्ट में बैठने लगे और बफे खाने लगे। It's sometimes pinching me, and I'm sure if you are Indian, it's pinching you also. Why it should not? It should pinch. Then I said, no more edX, no more Coursera, it's स्वयं only sir। सिर्फ एक ही स्वयं दूंगा, देसी स्वयं दूंगा। ओनली आईआईटी खड़गपुर प्रोफेसर के टीचर्स के लेक्चर नहीं चाहिए मुझे। मैंने गांव के टीचर को भी पकड़ के उसकी लेक्चर, बिकॉज माय 17% स्टूडेंट्स नेवर कम्स टू द हायर स्टडीज बिकॉज ऑफ द लैंग्वेज बैरियर। Although they have the very techno mind, from the childhood the mother said, मेरा बेटा from childhood he is breaking so many toys, he has a very good mechanical mind। I am not sending your college because he sits in the last bench, because he can never ask a question to teacher because he doesn't know English। Then I start realizing my days, because I was not knowing English when I came to India। I said, no ma'am, 10 regional languages you will get a SWAM today, 10 including Kannada, there is a regional language in SWAM। You watch video in English। अगर हम मूवीज का सबटाइटल नीचे दे सकते हैं, क्या अपने टीचर का नहीं दे सकते हैं? सिर्फ मूवीज ही है, देश को मनोरंजन ही चाहिए, एजुकेशन नहीं चाहिए। ये बहुत बड़ी षड्यंत्र है। आपके मोबाइल में 80% एप्स, टुडे यू ओपन मोबाइल, 80% एप्स आर गेमिंग एप्स ओनली। एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गेमिंग? दे विल टीच यू हाउ टू पुट योर कार टू अदर्स, हाउ टू यूज डिफरेंट वेपन्स टू किल अदर्स। And not even this, today your gamings, they are teaching you how to make suicide also।
Blue whale।
Only 2% games of education available on your mobile, and this 2% now contribute from my SWAM। I will make it to 23% mobile music through education system only। That is my target for which I am sitting in the NCT। When I came here, I learned about this institution। Within 15 minutes, I could meet almost all the HODs। 5 best things in this institution I have seen। I am a very neutral person। Look, I am not looking my job here। I am not going to give direct grant to this institution। They are not going to give anything out of their way। They are bound with the management। Still, being a neutral, 5 best things। If institution is in a safe hands, because the biggest challenge in today's my country is the best faculty and sustainability of the faculty, and the best, the best achievement of institution to get the best faculty। Your institution is overcome with a challenge because your faculty is amazing over there। They are from the different government sectors, research sectors, and a person like him with the dedication he taught in different। Being students, जब मैं भी वहां पे बैठता था, यहाँ पे कोई आके बाहर से भाषण देता था, तो लगता था कि ये तो बोलेगा ही ना, उसको इतना बड़ा हार बनाएंगे तो वो तो बोलेगा ही, मन्ना नहीं बोलता। I speak always truth। I could see the youngest couple is looking this institution। Being a young girl married might have number of dreams, she may go to the beauty parlor, she may join so many kitty parties because management is very well off, well, see their share market। Why she is coming and sitting and interacting with the students and teachers are about this kind of this? That is called a dedication। This is the second golden point in your institution। जो 60 साल का नहीं सोच सकता, वो ही 26 साल का सोच सकता है, क्योंकि वो आपसे थोड़ा सा ही बड़ा है। आपकी पिंच, your foot in your shoe, how much pinching I can feel only if I put my same foot in your shoe। So that's happening। I'll come to the third part। Institution without interaction with the neighboring hood is not an institution। वो institution नहीं है, वो एक egoistic इमारत है, बिल्डिंग है, ब्रिक्स है, कुछ नहीं है। आपका इंस्टीट्यूशन बगल के गांव के जाके बच्चों को खाना खिलाता है, बच्चों के रूप से, बच्चों के हाथ से, बच्चों को जाके पढ़ाता है, बच्चों के हाथ से। मैं प्रणाम करता हूं ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशन को। I put my holy hand, I give my full respect to this जो इंस्टीट्यूशन किसी का पेट भर रहा है, उसकी जो दुआएं आपके इंस्टीट्यूशन को लगेंगी, आपको लगेंगी। मुझे नहीं लगता कि कल आप में से कोई 3 साल बाद मुझे लिख के कहना कि सर मैं वहां से पास आउट हुआ, आई कुडंट गेट अ गुड लाइफ। यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट गुड लाइफ, मे नॉट बी ड्यू टू योर मार्क्स बट बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम द नंबर ऑफ विलेजर्स एट द राइट। अभी बात यहाँ नहीं खत्म होगी। From the moment I entered your college, you know, your principal is only chasing one thing, either standing here and sitting with me. Sir, hackathon हम भी host करना चाहते हैं. You see the zeal. Hackathon free में नहीं होगा. They have to spend money, you know. They have to host 800 students from the other states coming, ferrying in that bus, fetching them for 48 hours. Mess bill completely free. Their travel, their stay, to providing LEDs, laptops, blah 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 blah, servers. Last time it was costing some around 15 lakh rupees per college, but still college voluntarily asking hackathon. You know what is hackathon and why they are asking? This hackathon will not give any award to the chairman of this management. This hackathon will not give award to any principal, but because of this hackathon, I think you will become startups tomorrow. You will not job seekers, you will be job creators. If you want to see, already hackathon volume 1 has happened. What happened with the NESCOM? When the lady Chetna came to me, the secretary of the NESCOM, you can check from Google how smart and how bold she lady, said, Manaji, we have a 2020 10,000 startups PMO को हमने assurance दिया. NESCOM, you must be knowing NESCOM, the agency which is integrating all the industry of my country like CIEM. I said, madam, आप 20 में 10,000 देंगे in front of my chairman. Then my chairman was watching like me. I will give you 2,500 startups within 36 hours, madam. What you are talking? And it happened in my hackathon. It happened in my hackathon. 598 crores in the first time in this world. I couldn't get Guinness World Book record. You know that? We already spent 22 lakhs there. Because government funding, they can't take in a Guinness Book of Record because it's a government funding. If it would happen with a private society like a Microsoft or IBM, we could get it the Guinness World of Record. Largest hackathon in this world happened, 36 hours in 26 places in the country. 10,000 students. But they done it. क्या किया मेरे बच्चों ने? हमने बोला minimum one girl, बंदूक हुड़की बेच के आए दो. Mandatory we made it. We made it mandatory. In some teams, all 6 girl students came. Then I shown to my chairman, सर आप तो बोल रहे हो कि IITs में बच्चियां नहीं जाती हैं, यहाँ तो हैकाथॉन में बच्चियां भरी हुई हैं. It means बच्चियों की टेक्नोलॉजी भी उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है जितनी बॉयज की है, only उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही थी. That is the opportunity we had given, and the girl students came forward with the technology. Because of this hackathon, what I did, you know, there is a one NGO in Hyderabad called JIT. You know that? Girls in Tech. It is NGO made by many companies through their CSR, IBM, Microsoft, blah blah. Young girl of chairperson, Sri Divya, came to me. Sir, can you come to Hyderabad one day? I said, why? Why should come? No, sir, we are doing some small hackathon. Why, sir? Their small hackathon. They took some 50 girls, and they were all girls from non-technical side, and they were coding. You know, they were coding. I said, Sri Divya, this is not the end. Next time, there are 100 smart cities declared by Government of India. We will start with a smart city hackathon, and it happened. The first smart city hackathon in Visakhapatnam 3 months back, along with the Andhra government, along with the AICT, she did it. 250 girl students came throughout the Andhra, and they created number of beautiful concept notes. You know, one girl what she developed there. Every locality there are dustbins, and today the problem is dustbin is there, but the waste is coming out only because nobody is going to clear it in that time to make. What happens if today dustbin got emptied and today evening only some students' birthday is there in that locality? Within an hour only it will fill with the number of disposals. You know, when in the birthday party so many things we are using which is going to get environmental bad, putting caps and thali polymer things and all this dirty, but we can't help. So, but they will come next week only to clear the dustbin because they have the vehicle cycle. What she suggested, we should give a barcode to each dustbin, QR code. Passing through the dustbin, any passenger linked with the app with the MCD, Municipal Corporation Department, clicking a photo with the code, it will go to them. This location dustbin is filled and overflowing. Now it is their duty to clear because already it's logged. Tomorrow he will be suspended. Who's the duty? That van people will see, oh, there is my need, the van will go there. Whole day one mobile van will be moving and cleaning the dustbin. You will never see the waste is spreading out. So many street dogs are coming and they are biting you also sometimes. And unhygienic like dengue, so many things are coming. This I am giving one example. If you will ask me to stand for a whole day and tell what ideas the girl students has given, you will amazed to know. This is one. Now second I am going to do in Ahmedabad, Smart City Hackathon. Because of that GIT, Ivanka Trump is coming to India on 28th, 29th and 30th of November for GES, Global Entrepreneurship Summit. And they said only one NGO invited before PMO and Trump, that is GIT. This small girl with a small mission could make that US consulate is sponsoring them today. The World Bank is sponsoring them. You do beta whatever you want to do for the girls of this country, we are with you. ALL is with us. Women Economic Forum, they invited me at Delhi in the Hotel Taj Vivanta. They given me one more award which he skipped. That was the award from the Women Economic Forum because I did something for my girl students in my country. So awards are always there. I don't want to show my awards. If really we want to do, we have to do from here only. Awards will come automatically. It starts floating like anything. We don't have to become celebrity, we have to become a worker. Celebrity will earn for 5 years or 10 years. A worker will earn for years and years and for the lives and lives. Today also again we stand in front of Vivekananda ji and we pranam Vivekananda ji. Vivekananda ji was invited outside the country. When they asked everyone, please hand over your holy books, Vivekananda ji offered Gita. You know that Heen Bhavana. They put Gita at the bottom and putting all other holy books on top of stack. A neighboring person sitting to Vivekananda ji, Lodi, your book is the bottom Madhika. Oh, I said. He was smiling. He went there politely, not arguments. And today, hey, I will kill you. Why you are putting my holy book at the bottom? The big Gulata Madhika. He no Gulata Madhila. He just pulled out all books. Because of Gita, you were standing. I took my Gita back to all. We have to become like this. Always soft from heart, sharp from mind, and strong from hands. If your hands are strong today, nobody can. I can challenge. Why you are looking for IBM or Amazon? Can't you create your own Amazon over here? You know one history? Because of SWAM, I could meet to Satya Nadella because Microsoft is the company. You know Satya Nadella?
Yes, sir.
Somebody asked the Microsoft chairman, sir, you are hiring so many people from South India to US to giving these jobs in Microsoft and giving such a high salary. He said, gentlemen, it is my majburi. You know majburi there? If I will stop hiring them, they will open another Microsoft in Bangalore, which I don't have. This is the reality. It's the Silicon Valley. It's the actual Silicon Valley because persons from here doing miracles there. तो मैं तो ये कहता हूँ जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? यहाँ पे करो ना जो करना है. So with these words, I am thankful to you giving this opportunity to share.
Mr. Mahesh from KREDL.
KREDL is Karnataka Renewable Energy Development. All these are concepts. Great. Very nice.
नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना ओ रेता मिले नदी के जल में. नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना ओ रेता मिले नदी के जल में.
director of this institution, vice principal, deans, HODs, dean from other university, faculty members, and very special, my dear students. Namaskar. When I was sitting here between this intellectual and academic leaders of this country, I was feeling that in such a young age, the God graced me to be sit. I was still thinking other part happened when such a senior professor, who is just like my professor because one of my colleague is his student. So I always take him as my professor, my teacher. When your teacher is reading something about your life and not only life, it is a biodata with number of achievements, awards, how you feel honor, you can make it yourself, how you feel honor. That was a great honor. The moment he spoken about me, many of you, those came over here and looking a big photo outside, who's this man? He's coming to our institution. Some might have opened your, your 2G, 3G or 4G net pack and searching on the Google like Manpreet Singh Manna, AICTE. So you might have seen a 10 pages result or 16 pages result. In 2 pages you could find Manpreet Singh Manna. One is also facing a trial in court. And one Manpreet Singh Manna is getting a singer, getting awards, and one Manpreet Singh is of course played hockey and brought something for my country. So name may have different characters. It matters that what we can contribute to this nation, we can contribute to this society, and the name and the caste and the religion and the state comes later on. I just want to share 10 minutes before I will discuss the agenda of today's discussion. You know today's manna, what he has read out. I want to take you to some past. I will rewind the cassette. I will come down to 3rd of October 1989. One student with a number of dreams traveled 3200 kilometers with the Karnataka Express Delhi to Bangalore, then she ran Patnam Express from Bangalore to Mysore and got down Mandya. In between there is a place Mandya. First time in his life away from Delhi. Along with his father, and came down and he took admission in the college, PES College of Engineering, Mandya. And there was a hostel called VSVM hostel just